Having trouble connecting your Xumo Stream Box to Wi-Fi? Let's get you streaming again. First, double-check your Wi-Fi password. It's case-sensitive, so ensure you've entered it correctly using the on-screen keyboard. Many issues stem from typos. If you've forgotten the password, you might need to reset your router. Next, consider DHCP. This assigns IP addresses automatically. If the Xumo box can't connect, it could be a DHCP issue. Perhaps your router is overloaded, especially with many smart home devices connected. Try renewing the DHCP lease in the Xumo's network settings, accessible via the app or remote. If problems persist, ensure your router is up to date and supports 5 GHz bands for optimal performance. If password and DHCP checks don't solve the problem, explore reset options. A soft reset, holding the power button for 10 seconds, restarts the device without losing your data. If that fails, a factory reset, found in the settings menu, will erase everything and revert to default. Remember to back up your data if possible before a factory reset. For advanced troubleshooting, ensure your Xumo box is within good Wi-Fi range, aiming for a signal strength of -50 dBmers or better. If issues persist, particularly in rural setups 40%, router-side tweaks like configuring DNS or MAC address filtering may be necessary. For longer-term stability, especially with multiple devices, consider upgrading to a modern router, ideally a mesh Wi-Fi system.